She's making my day in the beautiful way that she does. And there goes my girl, there goes my girl. And I can't get enough, I keep falling in love with my world. And there goes my girl, she's got style and she's a saver. She does life so irresistible. She won't stop until she's queen of my world. And there goes my girl, she's got style and she's a saver. She does life so irresistible. She won't stop until she's queen of my world. And there goes my girl.
Let's learn There Goes My Girl. It's choreographed by Debbie Rushton and is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and do 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn There Goes My Girl. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine quarter turn to the right with a scuff. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then scuff your left heel forward. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, left foot to the side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to take our right heel, you're going to place it forward, step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. Step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, and then step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your heels with your right and your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal and touch your left next to your right. And when you touch, you can clap your hands. We're now going to step our left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. We're We're going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. We're now going to step our left foot back into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Those claps are going to come every single time you are touching the foot. So we're stepping with our right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're now going to rotate your left heel in towards the right. Now your left toes into the right and your left heels into the right. You're now going to step your left foot forward and into the left diagonal. You're going to rotate your right heel in towards the left. Now your right toe into the left and your right heel into the left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, stepping with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. Side behind, quarter scuff, grapevine to the left. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Diagonal touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, step. Heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing that grapevine to the right with your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll do that on all the walls. Now, the tag is going to come at the end of wall 5, which will be the second time that you're doing the front wall. You will dance the full 32 counts to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to add on a grapevine to the right and the left. So we would have finished our step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel. The second time doing the front, you're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left, staying at 3 o'clock. So we're going to do right side, left behind, right side, touch left, step left side, right behind, left side, touch right. And then you're going to start your wall 6 doing your grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. So the tag is going to happen one time only at the end of wall 5. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your grapevine quarter turn with the scuff. So it's side behind, quarter scuff, side behind, side touch. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, diagonal touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, step. Heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine quarter turn with a step, grapevine to the left. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, diagonal touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, step. Heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of the wall, you're going to do your tag of your 2 grapevines. Grapevine quarter, turn with a scuff, grapevine to the left. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, forward diagonal touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, step. Heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, grapevine to the right. Side behind, side touch, grapevine to the left. Start over, grapevine to the right, making your quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll dance the rest of the dance through till the end of the song, and it's going to end facing 12 o'clock with your grapevine quarter turn. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn There Goes My Girl. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Queen of the world. And she's making my day in the beautiful way that she does. And there goes